fuck, homie? What the fuck you bumping into me for, dog? Real shit, homie. Wow, alright. You a bitch, dog. You a bitch.
Hey, get that nigga Jafar. Get that nigga Jafar.
Okay. Hey, bro. Talking like that, little punk ass.
Get that nigga Jafar.
Oh, shit. Don't want to start swinging crazy, little punk ass.
Get that nigga Jafar. What the fuck?
What's that? Alright, hold on. Okay. Hold it like this shit on. Oh, shit. Oh, you want to start kicking out? Hold up. You going, bro? What's up? Yeah, alright. Pick up your show, nigga. What? Oh, okay. Alright. You want to actually find out, little nigga? What's happening, nigga? What's happening? He's a bitch, nigga. What? Bitch, nigga. What? What's happening, nigga? What's happening, nigga? What? Oh, shit, nigga. Yeah. You want to start talking like that? Alright, nigga. Alright.
Get that nigga Hector.
What?
Come on, Hector. Get that nigga.
What? I don't even want tape, bro. I ain't got all tape with it. What? What's happening, nigga? Oh, shit. What's happening? Alright. What? Okay. I ain't got all day. Alright, nigga. You gotta take out the G's, nigga. You're a bitch, nigga. Oh, okay. Hey, hold on, bro. Relax. What's happening? What? Oh, what? Oh, shit. Oh. Hold on, nigga. Hold on. Alright. Start doing that shit. You know the biz. What's happening?
Get him, Hector.
This nigga, dog.
Hey, get that nigga.
What? This nigga pissing me
Come on,
off.
get it, bro.
This nigga pissing me off. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Alright. What? Alright. What? Nigga, what's happening? What? You's a bitch, nigga. Nigga, you's a bitch, nigga. What? Fuck that bitch. Nigga, all that. Come on. Nigga, what's happening, nigga? Hold on. What? You's a bitch. Oh, okay. Alright. What? Nigga, what's happening? Nigga, whoa. What y'all? Hold on. Yeah, that's why I talk about your mama, son. What? Alright, get it. Say what, homie? What? You heard me. What you say? You heard me. What? What? Huh? Your mama's fat, nigga. What's happening, nigga? Now you just went too far. Or else what, nigga? I'll beat your ass, man. You lucky, nigga. Ah! Run your ass.